All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I'm going to take the bike out and I'm going to give you a quick cold start sound. I'm going to tell you, this thing is insane. Sounds crazy. It's just disgustingly loud. It's not one of those things that you just go like, it's like a really nice tone and it sounds deep. It's just disgustingly loud. I love it. I really do love it. Okay, I got my microphone right here, so I'm going to try to put my wireless mic right here. Here we go. I told you guys that thing was really, really loud. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.